Why hello Chantans, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing some Friends recipes. So first I'm going to start off with the Gunther's cold brew, which I already have the cold brew done, made, like the coffee made. So all I really have to do is get my cup, fill the cup up with ice, which I'm going to go ahead and do now. So now that it's filled, it says fill halfway with water. So I'm going to go ahead and fill half of it up with water and the remaining with the cold brew. And that's the perfect amount. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my coconut milk, and boom. Because it says add milk or heavy cream to taste if desired. So I'm going to go ahead and actually mix that up. Let's give this a try. So I can still taste the coffee. Need some more flavors, but that's what we got the next recipe for. So I'm going to recreate the one with the large eyebrows on his hat cereal milkshake. So it's not going to be exact. I'm not going to do the candy glazed strawberries. I'm just going to use regular strawberries. And okay, whatever. I don't have any. So first, to milk the milkshake, I'm going to use a spatula to put frosting on the outside rim of my glass, and I went ahead and bought pink icing because why not? We got pink on too. And I got and obviously I'm like Jeffree Star and already get into the icing, but whatever, I like icing, I like sweet stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on the rim of the glass. Just going to go ahead and spread that out. We don't need that much, but whatever. And yum. I don't think it really matters if it's messy because of what is going on top of them, on top of the icing, but icing is so good. And now to put my sugary cereal onto it. It does say to put it into the fridge, but I'm not going to put it into a fridge because it says it has to be in there for an hour, which I don't have an hour. We really don't even need it to be in the fridge because all it really is doing is to, gonna harden the icing. That's it. Like, yeah, it'll make the glass cold, but this is plastic from the dollar section at Target because who doesn't love a good Target shopping spree? And I already have the waffles and the sausages already made, so we could go ahead and skip that step once I'm done putting all of the cereal on this glass. Oops, dropped one. I really need to clear that. And then it says, don't worry about the sausage and the waffles. And a blend. So now onto the icing, the ice cream. It says like for one serving, I changed the recipe to be only like one serving instead of the two. So it says to do 3 scoops of ice cream. And I need my tablespoon again. And this is vanilla ice cream, which is the best for milkshakes. And then it says to put 10 tablespoons of milk, which is an even amount. So, tablespoon. Where's the tablespoon? What did I do with it? And I already have it on the counter. Or did it get put back? I could have sworn I had it on the counter. Where it go? Okay. Need a napkin. Okay, so now the milk. I'm gonna go ahead and do 10 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. So now on to the blending, which I'm going to go ahead and do off camera because it says it'll take up to 3 minutes, which is for it to be smooth and frothy. So I'm gonna do that off camera and be right back. So it also had me put some cereal in it, so which I did. And now it is time to add sprinkles to the bottom of the cup. Probably didn't need that much, but oh well. And now it is time to add the mixture in. And of course I'm having the same problem as the last video, trying to get something, but it won't budge. There we go. So first I'm actually going to take the blade out in the sink. And now I shall pour. So we could have done more to fill that up. That'd probably literally be 2 servings. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually add more to this cup and be right back. That that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and add the whipped cream, which this is freshly bought, like unopened, and just that can. And there we go. Let's add one more bit on the outer rim. And there we go for that. And now for the skewers, I'm gonna go ahead and actually no. I'm gonna go ahead and actually take out the sprinkles, if I can even open the canister up, and just sprinkle some of the other sprinkles onto the top like it requests. And then we shall take the skewers, take the waffle, then the sausage, waffle, sausage, waffle, sausage, and put that in to there. And now to, oh, and then we had one more waffle, which I should actually just eat. And now for the strawberries, I'm going to go ahead and do those. Like I said before, then I can read the sugar-coated ones like it requests in the recipe, but that is fine. And voila, we have the recipe completed. And now time to take a bit of the whipped cream. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't leave a thumbs up in the section down below. Don't leave a comment down below any video ideas you want me to do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys. Love you.